Yo, what's up guys? Bossness Dragon here. Today we are gonna play some Watch Dogs 2. And as you can see right now, I am in the loading screen. What does loading screen mean? Loading screen. If my hair looks wet, I just got back from swimming. I'm losing my words there. I just got back from singing lessons. And I'm quite sweaty, and then I just had a shower, and now, yeah, I'm clean once again. And sorry about that noise, but I'm eating chips. That was a really small chip. Alright, as you can see guys, I've changed Marcus a little bit. He is now a professional. Alright, so here's Showdown. So this is Showdown. This is the funnest mission ever. And when this happens, are you kidding me guys? My teammate, hurry up, please. I didn't know I could shoot my teammate now. Interesting. I have a grenade launcher and an ACER. I'm going to check the camera. Do I see any speeders? I saw a car. Oh! Wait. He's gonna die. Ready? Watch this. Get wrecked by your boy, Bossness Dragon. I'm the smartest man on earth. Don't mess with me. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. Sometimes I can be beaten. Not always. Oh. Yeah, sometimes guys, if you have this game, that can happen. They can just straight up snipe your butt down. Okay, thank you, Hola. You're finally playing now. Oh, I don't know. I took them so long to change his weapon. But it happens, you know? Life isn't always easy. Hold on, I thought I saw someone back there. Oh, that was a guy killing someone. But wait, rocket TE launcher. Oh! Correct. So I got 2 kills so far. Take out my taser. Nah, that does barely any damage. I've been Oh! Come at me, bro. I bet he's not gonna hack that surgery. Boy! Get sniped. I sniped him with a grenade launcher. Oh, interesting. He shot me, but I still lived. Able state you will hate. What was that? I thought I just heard something. I just heard something. And wow. Hold on. Partner. partner. You gotta be kidding me. Gotta be kidding me. So I got 2 deaths so far. Oh, good job, Armhola. Good job, buddy, but you failed. Jared. Oh my gosh, how did I not kill him? Oh! Hold on. Get sniped. Oh. Is he coming from there? I don't think he's coming from there. He's coming from... Oh. Good job, bruh. Okay, we got 55 seconds left. 55 now. Okay, so we are doing great. Sometimes the grenade launcher can't kill people. Sometimes it can kill people with mics, but it's hard to kill people with mics with the grenade launcher. It takes like 3 or 2 shots. Usually with... You've got to be kidding me. I can't snipe that guy, can I? Do it. No! Bang. Yo, how did I do that? Yeah, we did it. And by the way, guys, it's one day after Halloween, so happy Halloween. I mean, how many candy did you guys get and stuff? But yeah, 11 kills, that's a lot. That's a lot. Definitely for me. I haven't got much kills in millions of days. Like, millions. Sorry, I'm just focusing on that. Yeah. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, teammate. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Catch me outside. How about that? By the way, 1,000. Whoa! Why did my camera spawn so close to my face? Oh, frick. Of course, they go for cheapos. Ooh. Dale. Okay. I got some mail. So Dale never mail. I don't like this spot because sometimes players can just slip right in one at the worst moment that I'm not ready.
Oh!
Frick! I jumped on Canolver hit 10, but that guy just straight up killed me. He tried to kill me, and he did. He deserved it. I should get wrecked. Nailed. They're going hard against us, like really hard. Like they're trying to download it. Like bruh. Yeah, we're not doing very good at all. I am a sucky teammate right now. Where are they? Where are they? Frick! Each time I go into some spot, this guy just keeps getting me. Like, you realize you can, like, jump on people, right, teammate? Ooh. Okay. So, I am not doing well so far. I had enough of this. Okay, maybe I can snipe him from the other side. I was thinking about that. Okay, I'm gonna go snipe him on the other side, and I'll kill them. I promise. They will not survive a single bit. Or I could just... Oh, I killed one guy. The other guy is probably in there, though. He's sometimes can take one hit. Okay, yeah, I'm going to the other side to see if he's there. I should have killed him because I stink like fart. Wow. Hurry up, arm holder. I got him at the perfect time, but I got 7 kills that time. I can't make it to 11 anymore. I think we stopped at 11 since I got 11 kills. I'm not that very good anymore. I used to be like a pro at this, but I'm not.
Squad to all units.
Alright, fam, let's go. Alright, so I am stuck in a tree. We're on the 3rd mission, and my teammate just wrapped up, and I'm alone by myself, so I'm doing the last match, and then I'm gonna leave you guys alone for a while, okay? I know I haven't been back to videos, but just please support me, because I need subscribers. STV Squad. Subscribe to me, please. It just helps me out a lot, and I'm basically like his son, which I am, so please help me out too. He's gonna give you guys a shout out on my YouTube channel, so make sure to do that for me, guys. Will you do that? If you do, you're one of my favorite guys on earth. Lou Lonnie joins the assassin. What kind of name? Or is he gonna spawn? Okay, I'm safe. Let's carefully go in here. Shut down the system. Shut down everything. Hack vehicles. And hack every civilian. We're going to take out our jumper. Take it. And jump over here. That's right. Then hack B. And boom, we completed it. I told you, I'm still on it, so I completed it. Three kills that time. I'm doing worse every time. The first time I was doing really good. But that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and we will all see you in the next video. And I am the famous Bossness Dragon. Well, not really famous, but I will see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, and before I leave, guys, ladies, once again, subscribe to my channel. Once again, have a great time.